hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through installing the HPCC systems platform on a bare metal machine with Ubuntu 22.04. Right, first thing we're going to do, let's navigate to the HPCC systems platform GitHub repository. Once there, find the Releases tab, and there, scroll through the releases to find the version that you want to install. Under each release, you'll see different packages for the various operating systems. Since our installation is going to be on an Ubuntu 22.04 machine, we're going to look for files with the Jammy code base. In this case, Community version 10.2, Jammy. From there, copy the package, copy link address. I like to do is right click, copy link address, and then use wget. Optionally, download it right to your file system from the GitHub site. Now, installing the package. Use the apt install package. Here, I'm going to issue it sudo apt install package name with symbols.deb. Once you install it, that should be it. And now you can start your cluster. Use the system control. And if you find the system controls not working, never fear, we can always use the HPCC init scripts. And that's it for installing HPCC on a bare metal system. Thank you for watching.